हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज़ का अध्ययन करेंगे। ये चैप्टर आप एडवांस कैलकुलस के यूनिट फर्स्ट का है। सबसे पहले कन्वर्जेंट एंड डाइवर्जेंट सीरीज़ क्या होती है। हम कहते हैं एन इन्फिनिट सीरीज सिग्मा यू एन कन्वर्जेंट है, डाइवर्जेंट है या ऑसिलेटरी है यदि इसके सीक्वेंस ऑफ पार्शियल सम्स converges, diverges or is oscillatory, that is according as limit n tending to infinity Sn is finite, infinite or unique, that is oscillates between two numbers. If the sequence Sn of partial sums of the series sigma un converges to a finite quantity S, then S is called the sum of the series of sigma n. That is limit n tending to infinity sigma r equal to 1 to n u r equal to limit n tending to infinity S n equal to S. लेकिन सम केसेस में ऐसा क्या होता है कि हम ये लिमिट इस पार्शियल सम का नहीं डिराइव कर सकते हैं, तो इसलिए हमने बहुत सारे टेस्ट्स एस्टैब्लिश किए हैं जिनसे हम कन्वर्जेंट सीरीज़ के बारे में जान सकते हैं कि सीरीज़ कन्वर्जेंट है या डाइवर्जेंट है. First of all, convergent sequence definition. A sequence xn is said to be convergent sequence if limit n tending to infinity xn is finite. दैट इज़ ये जो लिमिट हमें ये लिमिट डिराइव करना है, यदि ये फाइनाइट क्वांटिटी है, एब्सर्ड नहीं है, तब हम कहते हैं कि लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स एन इक्वल टू लैम्डा और ये सीरीज़ जो है कन्वर्जेंट होगी. For example, the sequence xn equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, so on is a convergent sequence, since here xn is equal to 1 by 2 raised to power n minus 1 and limit n tending to infinity xn equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by 2 raised to power n minus 1 is which is equal to 0, which is a finite quantity. इसके बाद डाइवर्जेंट सीक्वेंस. अ सीक्वेंस एक्स एन इज सेट टू बी डाइवर्जेंट सीक्वेंस इफ लिमिट एन टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी एक्स एन इज नॉट फाइनाइट. That is if limit n tending to infinity xn is equal to plus infinity or minus infinity. For example, the sequence xn equal to 3, 3 square, 3 cube, so on diverges to plus infinity as here xn equal to 3 raised to power n and limit n tending to infinity xn equal to limit n tending to infinity 3 raised to power n which is equal to infinity. Similarly, the sequence xn equal to minus 2 square, minus 2 cube, so on diverges to minus infinity as here xn equal to minus 2 raised to power n and limit n tending to infinity xn equal to limit n tending to infinity minus 2 raised to power n which is equal to minus infinity. A sequence is said to be oscillatory sequence if it is neither convergent nor a divergent sequence. जो पहला टेस्ट है वो है डीएलएम्बर्ट्स रेशो टेस्ट. इसका स्टेटमेंट इस प्रकार है. इफ सिग्मा यू एन बी ए सीरीज ऑफ पॉजिटिव टर्म्स सच दैट लिमिट एन टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी यू एन बाई यू एन प्लस 1 इक्वल टू एल, then if L is greater than 1 un will be convergent, if L is less than 1 sigma un will be divergent, and if L is equal to 1 sigma un may converge or diverge. Example first. Examine the convergence of the series whose nth term is under root of 2 raised to power n plus 1 by 3 raised to power n plus 1. Here un is equal to un का मान ज्ञात करेंगे, un प्लस n का मान ज्ञात करेंगे, फिर इनको भाग देंगे, देयरफॉर un by un प्लस 1 डिराइव करेंगे एंड इसका लिमिट लेंगे. लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी un by un प्लस 1 will be equal to 3 by 2 raised to power 1 by 2 which is greater than 1. So by ratio test sigma un is convergent. Example second and very important. Examine the convergence of the series n raised to power n by n factorial. इसी तरीके से हम un देखेंगे किसके बराबर आएगा, फिर un प्लस 1 का मान देखेंगे एंड लिमिट n टेंडिंग टू इन्फिनिटी un by un प्लस 1 is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by 1 plus n raised to power n which is equal to 1 by e which is less than 1 because limit n tending to infinity 1 plus 1 by n whole raised to power n equal to e. Therefore, by ratio test, the given series is divergent. Example 3. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so on plus n x raised by n minus 1 plus so on. Here un is equal to n x raised by n minus n, un plus 1 will be equal to n plus 1 x raised power n. Therefore, un by un plus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by n into 1 by x. Therefore, limit n tending to infinity un by un plus 1 is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, by ratio test, the given series is convergent if 1 by x is greater than 1, that is x is less than 1, and divergent if x is greater than 1. If x is equal to 1, Here un will be equal to n, and limit n tending to infinity un will be equal to infinity. The series is divergent in that case, hence the given series is convergent if x is less than 1 and divergent if x is greater or equal to 1.